All work and no play really makes Jack a dull boy. So today, I'm not going to be talking about work. Today, I'm going to be talking about Minecraft. Yes, that's something that I like to do when I'm not working, is play a couple computer games. I can sit for hours. It's beautiful. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Litematica. And Litematica is a little tool that allows you to take a building from a world and place it into another world. Trust me, this is going to be amazing. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Litematica. So, without further ado, let's dive straight in. The first thing we're going to do is understand what Litematica really is. So essentially what you can do is go and take a structure like you see right over here behind me and move it about. So you can move this entire structure from one section on your map to another. You can even move it from one world to another world, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure that you jump into your inventory and dial in stick, and all you need is a simple stick. Now make sure that the simple stick is right over here, and once you select it and have it in your hand, you will actually see on the bottom left a whole new menu. Now right at the bottom you'll see that it says mode 1 out of 9, and quite simply you'll have to hold in control on your keyboard and use your mouse scroll, and you'll be able to move through the different modes. Now the main modes that we will be using today is mode 1, which is the area selection. Then we'll be using mode 2, which is the schematic placement, and then we will be using 5, which is the paste. So let's jump right in. With our stick selected, go ahead and look for the furthest corner of the structure that you would like to select. So I'm going to click with my left key, and you'll see now that it has randomly selected this area. I'm going to go over now to the opposite end of this structure, and I'm going to choose a block. It doesn't matter what block it is. I'm going to randomly just choose this block, and I'm going to build up from this corner right over here. I'll get to just past the highest point of the structure, and I will just go down and break the rest of these blocks, which are completely unnecessary. Now what I need to do is run back up to this top block, select my stick again, and right click on that block. You'll now see that this entire structure is actually selected. Now there is another way to select the area, but this is by far the quickest and easiest way to do so. Now we need to access our Litematica menu, which is by default the letter M on your keyboard, and this is it right here. Then what we're going to go ahead and do is go to the area editor. Now once you've clicked on this, this is the second way of selecting a different area, by using the corner 1 coordinates and the corner 2 coordinates. Essentially, once you've done this and you've got the area selected that you would like, you're going to go and say save schematic. Now you can go and give it a name right over here. I'm just going to leave it as unnamed. I'm going to add in 1, and on the right hand side you'll have some additional options, and this is the most important. Over here you want to just select the ignore entities. This essentially will allow you to copy that area and not copy any other entities such as mobs within that area. Now quite simply we're going to go and say save schematic, and this is literally saved in our list. We're going to push escape to get back out to our world, and we can literally move to any other part of the map, and we can place this structure wherever we'd like. We can also go and tap on escape and say save and quit and open a new map. In your new map, you're going to do exactly the same as what you did before. Make sure that you jump into your inventory, get a stick, drop it in over there, and now we have control. The first thing we want to go ahead and do is push M. Within this area, we are going to go up to load schematics, and you're going to choose the schematic that you would like to load. Now if you remember correctly, it was the unnamed 1. On the right you'll see all of the information over here, and we're going to go down to the left on the bottom and say load schematic. Here you can just push escape and you'll see that it's actually here. Now there are a few different ways that you can move this about, as well as change what direction it is facing. So I'm going to go ahead, and what we'll do is we will now hold in Control, and you'll see at the bottom on the left hand side of the screen it says schematic placement. Now essentially what is happening here is this is the mode that we'll be using to move this about. So what I'll do is I'll hold in Alt on my keyboard, and I'll use my mouse wheel and scroll it away from me and toward me to move it back and forth. Now if you'd like to do it from left to right, you'll have to just move to the other end of it, hold in Alt and move it back and forth. You'll also notice that currently this is in the sky. So let's go ahead above it, we're going to go over it, and you're going to look down on it, hold in Alt, and you are going to move it down. Now essentially what will happen is it will be moved into place, and when you see the red blocks you'll know that that's one layer too low. So we're going to move it just over there, and now we can actually start to see what is happening over here with our structure. Now I'm doing all of this in creative mode, and it's really easy. All we're going to do is place the structure, but if you do want to do this in survival mode and actually build the structure, you can check out the link in the description down below to actually see how to do that. Now let's hold in Control on our keyboard, and we are going to go to mode 5, and quite simply you are going to use a hotkey. Now if you haven't got a hotkey set already, you can simply push the letter M on your keyboard, and over here you're going to go to configuration menu, and you're going to go to hotkeys, and here we are going to use the little search icon, and we are going to type in EXE, which essentially is execute operation. Now I've set mine to M and O, which means I'll be holding in the letter M and tapping O, but all you need to do is click on this and set it to whatever you would like. Let's go back out here. We're going to hold in M, and we're going to tap on O, and we now have our structure placed. So what we can then do again is go into M, go up to loaded schematics, click on that, and you'll see over here it says that this is loaded. Now what we need to do is unload it. Now you will see that our structure is here in the new place that we have placed it, in the new world on a new map. And you could build onto this, and you could copy this and add it to or move it to another world on Minecraft. Now if you like this type of content, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel for any updates. You can also go and look at the description of this video. You might just find something amazing. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.